In this video, we are dividing a quintic polynomial of 5 terms by a linear binomial. In this example, you'll notice that we don't have the 4th degree term or the quartic term or expression. So what we're going to do is implement a placeholder for the first time. Let's look at what that will look like. Now, you'll want to make sure, if you are new to this, that you use a pencil or leave a good amount of space in between stuff. Make sure if you did not do this with a placeholder, you don't try to just squeeze in and fix it, that you redo it using the placeholder process. Once your placeholder is in, another thing I'd like to point out is we are dividing a 5th degree polynomial by a 1st degree. That means my answer should be a 4th degree polynomial. We're going to divide the leading term. Now, keep in mind, it's going to be pretty long, so I'm going to squeeze my work in this vertical direction so I don't run out of paper. First term by the first term on the outside. Multiply it by the side. Parentheses, minus sign, underline, cancel. Should have gotten negative 4x to the 4th here, and bring down the minus 15x to the 3rd. Try not to let it get too close, let it be directly underneath. Leading term, negative 4x to the 4, divided by leading term of x, we get minus 4x to the 3rd, gets written in that correct column. Multiply it by the side. Sorry about the loud bell. Parentheses, minus sign, underline, cancel. What gets written here? Make sure you take your time on these. You need to pay attention to that minus outside of the parentheses. Bring down the next term. And repeat. Negative 7x to the 3rd divided by the x on the outside. Negative 7x squared gets written up in that correct column, and we multiply it on the side. I'm going to go a little faster now because I'm anticipating possible people knocking at the classroom door, and I want to make sure I get this done for you. Parentheses, minus sign, underline, cancel. You should get 5x squared, positive. Bring down the next term. We repeat this pattern or process. 5x squared over or divided by x, 5x. So plus 5x up here, and we multiply that on the side here. Keep everything in nice columns. Parentheses, minus sign, underline, cancel. This should be a 1x. And we bring down plus 12. Divide the leading term by the leading term. We get 1, a constant. We know we are now on our last round through. Plus 1. Multiply it over there. X plus 2. Parentheses, minus sign, underline, cancel. We get a 10. That's our remainder. But the proper way to write our final answer is we tack it onto the end, plus 10 over x plus 2. So this whole thing is our quotient. 2x to the fourth minus 4x to the third minus 7x squared plus 5x plus 1 plus 10 over x plus 2. If there's a thumbnail at the end of this video, you can click that to check a different homework example, or you can check the description box underneath this video for the playlist to find the video corresponding to the example you need. I also have a bunch of other videos further explaining long division of polynomials, so if you need help, definitely check those out, follow along, copy them, whatever you might need. If this was helpful and you understand this example and got it right, thumbs up. If not, or if you're confused or want more help, thumbs down. Have a nice day.